Yeah, hi, hello everyone, mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Rizum Tubko is still here in Honiara Solomon Island. Weekend routine, that's what I'm trying to do. Going around and have a look at what is this beautiful islands can offer. And today I wanted to probably just have a look on one of the landmark here in the Solomon Island. It's just a big flag near the port area or the Solomon Ports area. So I just wanted to have a quick walk, even though it's a little bit hot now, which is, it's more or less on the noontime here at the island. Okay, let's go, and hopefully there are some happenings in here, and let's go. Yeah, there we go. And let's go out and have a look. And we are actually just in front of the US Embassy over here. Yeah, that's the US Embassy, that's the flag. And I just actually park at the roadside, and let's go. And this is it. We'll try to walk around this area here, and that is, like I said, that is the landmark here. That's a flag, the big flag here at the port area. See this what's that? Unity Square, and some of those landmarks in here. The pride of our nation, honoring the bravery, loyalty, and courage. Solomon Scouts, Coast Watchers, and yep, that's the one. Solomon Island building there, US Embassy. So that's the area here, and this is the terminal. Those are the flags. Underneath that, mother flag. Maybe I can just walk around. And by the way, today is Sunday, so maybe I don't know whether I can go inside there or not. I will try to walk down and see inside. Yeah, that's the whole area inside there. Unity Square, that's a flag. Let me walk through here across the road. There's actually a parking over here. There's some figurines. I know it's windy. Guys, yeah, I know that it's very windy. We are underneath these big flags over here. And yeah, we showed one of the bags earlier on. There's not much things to show here, by the way, and that is good that we visit this. We only can see it from far. We're traveling over there now. Oh, that is very high. Maybe, yeah, I know it's open over here, but I don't know whether we can enter that, but it's okay. Or we can just have the the camera to show it. All right, there we go again. This is how it looks like in here. There are some figurines at the ground, and with all of this surrounding. Again, that is the terminal that we featured at that time. And these are the flags. Underneath this flag, big flag. So that's it. And we can now go around the area. Maybe these are the flags of the islands. Part of I don't know, I'm still not so familiar with all of them. And this is another place. Okay guys, that's all for now. Again, and the short walk that we have here at the port area. I mean, it's just on the Unity monuments in there. So it's a very quick one, just to share with you what is, what do we have here, the Solomon ports at the entrance, because we already featured the other one before. So I just wanted to go around over here, so that is why I'm sharing with you what is happening, especially at the city center here in Honiara. So that's all for now. Don't forget to follow and subscribe and share the videos for those of you who wanted to come over and look this beautiful place. And Hamilism Tubuka is signing off again. Bye for now.